Hey everyone, in this video I'll be talking about pitch.com. This is going to be just covering the basics about pitch, just showing you around the platform, how to use it, what you can use it for, and pretty much just teach you for beginners how to get started with pitch.com. To start off, let's actually say what pitch is. So, pitch.com is basically a platform that is going to help you create stunning presentations easily. It's just going to pretty much turn hard tasks or tedious tasks into easy work, where you just need to focus on the soul of the work, and then it pretty much makes the rest of the customization and things like that much easier for you simply. So like we say here, don't just present, pitch. Pitch is the fastest way for you and your team to create and share beautiful presentations that get results. I forgot to mention the most important thing about pitch is that it's not just about you creating a presentation, that's it. You can also invite your team or colleagues to help you create a specific presentation, and you can also set tasks for everyone. For example, slide 2 is for person number 1, slide 3 is for person number 4, that kind of thing. So it's good for teamwork when it comes to presentations, and it does have plenty of templates and options when it comes to customization. So let's actually get started here. To get started, you go ahead and click on pitch or go to pitch.com, and then we will find this page where we also can see our plans or the pricing for pitch. So we've got a free plan, which is amazing. It does have a lot when it comes to the free plan, which is great. And then we've got pro and business. I will not compare the plans for you because this should be you doing that. I don't want to take too long explaining the comparisons here, but some of the things that you may find to be important. For the free plan, you can upload videos, and also the analytics links is going to be different for each one, because you can also integrate pitch with Google Analytics, and I forgot what the other one is. It does have two integrations when it comes to analytics, where you can actually create charts and stuff using them. But you can just simply sign up, and then after you sign up and fill out your info, you will be greeted with this homepage or dashboard where you can just get started with the presentations. So we can see from recents here, we got three options: start new presentation, start with AI, which is very cool. And we can also import presentation. I'm not going to talk about import presentation because it's very straightforward. You can just import a presentation from PowerPoint, for example, and just add it to Pitch. And then from there, you can just edit it the way you would with any other. But we've got two main options. We can just start a new presentation. And if we do that, we will get two options: either create a presentation blank, so we just start from scratch, or we can just scroll down and keep finding lots and lots and lots of templates that we could use. Mostly the one that people use is Bento, but we can really choose whichever one we like. So let's actually go for let's see some good template here. So this one, for example, we just can click on use template, and it should be there for us. Now what we need to do is just edit the template. So here, because we've got the template done, we can just do things on our own. Some of the things that you need to understand is it's basically block based. So this text is going to be a block where we can edit the text and text alone. This image is also a block where we can just replace and edit it, and each element is going to be a block where we can just simply edit it individually. which makes things much easier. So we got, let's just turn. So if we have, for example, images here, we can simply just replace them if we don't want this image, and it will give us plenty of images from Unsplash or Giphy if that's what you want to look in, and we've got plenty. So here, for example, for Unsplash, we can just keep scrolling down. Maybe we want this image right here. We can just click on it, and then it does the work for you. Same goes for text. You can just click on it, and then you can edit it the way you want. You can edit, make it bold if you want. If you select a specific word, you can also get settings for it. So for example, remember here, oh, there you go. We can make it bold, for example, change some stuff like the text color for specific words, make it a link, that kind of stuff. So this is you get the pre-custom made fonts here that we can just select if we just select a block of text, and we get also other options here if that's what we want. So it's very simple. You just click on whatever you want to change, and we can just change it simply. And you can drag and drop things, and if you have, like, for example, two pictures, we can just drag and drop them, and they can just replace each other. So let's see, for example, these two, we can see we can just adjust this, and I will show you another tip which is going to also align them better. For example, let's just do that. For example, make a little bit of a mess, we can just go like this and tidy, and we can see now after we click on tidy, it's just perfect. We can also add shadow, soft, regular, or retro, and we can just adjust it. So you get plenty. Here we've got obviously the regular stuff. We got editing or adding text. We've got adding media, shape if we want, sticker, chart. We can add charts here, and we can integrate them with Google Analytics. And the one I forgot was Google Sheets. And we can also add tables. We just selected the number and stuff, and then we can just simply do that. Embedding a YouTube or Vimeo or even Loom videos is possible. And here on the right side, we get the design tool, which is going to help us design a little bit more the slide style. Like you can see the theme, the background image if we want. We can adjust the background color. This is going to be under this design panel here. So what else? If we go back, that's pretty much the editing, like simply said, like basics of editing. We can also do the start with AI. With AI, it's very simple. For example, here we just type in what we want the presentation to be about. Let's just say create a presentation about our planets. Boom, that's it. Start generating, and then you just give it a sec. On the right side is going to be where you just edit how the general feel or look is going to be. We can even like change, if we don't like the fonts in here, we can generate others and stuff. Until it's done, let's just actually try to customize it the way we want. Oh, okay. We've got the themes of, or how the presentation looks like simply. Let's make it a little bit purple maybe. Okay, so we can just, once we're happy with it, we can just click on start editing. And we can see it now. We've got our presentation about space. Now, like we talked about in the previous one, we simply just can click on anything we want, and we can just edit it, change it, whatever. Maybe we can add shadow to specific pictures, make this much visible if we want, that kind of stuff. So really, it's going to be easy to create presentations and then just edit the text, type in the text. It's very, very simple and easy, and you really get plenty of tools. If you want to add uh, members to help you out, you can just enter their email here, and then you can just allow them. Now, that's obviously going to require upgrading and whatnot, and then from there we can add like you can add comments, notes. We can add status for the slide. That is going to be for the teamwork, where you can assign a specific person for a specific slide to work on, and then they can set um, the progress for the slide. Is it a to do? Is it in progress, or is it done? If it's to do, we can just set it like that, and then we can assign it to a specific person. Once I'm done with this, for example, we can just say done, and this way me and my colleagues that are working uh, within the same presentation are going to be seeing that this presentation is done. Okay, move on to the next one, which is assigned to person B, and so on. Again, invite others within this section here. Same goes for analytics and stuff. If you add a chart, is going to ask you to connect with Google Sheets and that kind of stuff. So I think it's very, very straightforward, and it's going to help you a lot when it comes to creating presentations, because it's the ease of use it has is very special, and very easy to learn as well. And you've got plenty to work with. So I hope this video just showed you the basics of pitch.com and helped you out on getting started with it. Obviously, you will learn more as you use it, but it's not going to be difficult. The interface, as you can see, it's very user friendly, but that doesn't mean that it is like lacking when it comes to tools. It's quite the opposite. It's full of tools that you can use, but it still manages to keep a very, very user-friendly interface. So, with that being said, that's all I have to say. Thank you for watching.